Pick up your markers, let's start the fun. Crafty Kids Chronicles has just begun. Cut, glue, and craft with flair. Join us today, we'll take you there. So come along, it's time to create. With Crafty Kids, it's going to be great.
Hey guys, today we're making these adorable heart-shaped red velvet crinkle cookies. They're soft, chocolatey, and super delicious, so stick around to find out how to make them. First, we're mixing our dry ingredients in a medium bowl. You'll whisk together 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that together and then set it aside. Next, in a large bowl, you'll mix 1/2 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and you'll mix that until it's light and creamy. This should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, you'll add 1 large egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of red food coloring. Once it's all combined, you'll gradually add in your dry ingredients, mixing until it's well combined. Finally, fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips to give these cookies a rich and chocolatey flavor. Once your ingredients are mixed, then you're going to chill your dough for at least 2 hours in the fridge. Once your dough is chilled, then you're going to flour your surface and roll out your dough. I wanted to mention this recipe is based off of a recipe I found online and made for Christmas, but I tweaked it a little bit to make it festive for Valentine's Day, so I'll leave the original recipe link in my description, so make sure to check it out. Once your dough is rolled out to your desired thickness, then use a heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out your cookies. Don't forget to re-roll the scraps of cookie dough and cut out as many hearts as possible. While we're doing this next step, you can go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Then you're going to gently place your hearts into the powdered sugar, making sure that they're well coated. This will give them that crinkle effect once they're baked. Once all your hearts are covered in powdered sugar, then you're going to bake at 350 for 10 minutes. Let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. And there you have it! These heart-shaped red velvet crinkle cookies are the perfect sweet chocolatey treat for Valentine's Day. Make sure to check out the original recipe in my description, and thank you so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day!